Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Math JEE Academy. Today I am going to discuss with you very interesting set theory related questions. You can see first set is consist of all the real numbers such that mod x minus 2 is strictly greater than 1, and b is given to you the collection of all the real number such that the square root of x square minus 3 is strictly greater than 1, and third set c is collection of all the real number, so mod x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 2, and z is the set of all integer is given. Then how to find the number of subset of a intersection b intersection c whole complement intersect with z. Okay, how many integers are common? You have to collect it, right? First, let us understand step by step how to find out the elements of each of the set. Understood? First, let's take mod x minus 2 greater than 1, right? Okay, let's take another page. Mod x minus, the first one you can see, the mod x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 1. Strictly greater than 1, right? Okay, fine. Then how to find the x value? We have to find out, right? So you already know that, we know that the mod x is greater than a means what? X should be greater than a or x should be less than minus a, right? Just you can take the mod x graph. This is mod x graph, you already know, right? This is y is equal to mod x. X axis is the y axis here. Okay, suppose here you can take mod x equal to a, you can take. So we need mod x is greater than a. Mod x is y is, right? Y is the output value, right? It's more than a means we need this one, right? So we need this one. So that means where the x values lies, x value should be, this is a, this is minus a, right? Suppose any real number, right? So x should be more than a and x should be less than minus a. Those x values only possible. The same idea you can apply for mod x minus 2 greater than 1. So here instead of x, which one is there here? X minus 2 is there. Just you can use the same idea here. So how to do this? Do this x minus 2 is greater than 1 or x minus 2 less than minus 1. Clear? Okay. So now you can find the x value quickly. X is greater than 3 or x is less than, you can add 2 on both sides. Minus 1 plus 2 will be 1, right? Minus 1 plus 2 is 1, right? So here is x is greater than 3 or x is less than 1. What is the meaning actually? X is belongs to minus infinity to 1 open interval union 3 to infinity. This is your x values. You can see the number line. So here 1 is there, here is 3. So we need actually the collection of all the x minus infinity to 1 union 3 to infinity. We need this one, right? Okay, this is first one done. Let's do the second one. You can see second one, what is there? Okay, let's take second one is what? X belongs to R, square root of x square minus 3 strictly greater than 1. Then how to do this? Let me take square root of, second one is what? Square root of x square minus 3 strictly greater than 1. Let me check again. Square root of x square minus 3 strictly greater than 1. So what you can do, first you need to calculate the x value. So for that you have to squaring on both sides. Squaring it, x square minus 3 is greater than 1. You can add 3 on plus 3 on both sides. X square is greater than 4. You can take the square root on both sides, right? Square root of x square is greater than square root of 4, right? But we know that mod x, how to write? Square root of x square, right? The distance from x to origins, right? This is a mod x, right? Okay. Okay, fine. Now you can see, so mod x greater than square root of 4 is what? 2. So now you can use the same definition. Mod x greater than a means what? X is greater than the right side, or x should be less than the negative of the right side. The same idea you can apply. X is greater than 2 or x should be less than minus 2. These are the x values. That means x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union 2 to infinity. This is your second one. I hope everyone understood, right? Let's do this third one. Third one, what is there? You can see in the set C, mod x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 2. Mod x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 2. Let me check once again. Yes, greater than or equal to 2, right? Okay, then how to do this? The same idea. What you can do? X minus 4 should be greater than 2 or x minus 4 is less than or equal to minus 2. Now we need x, so adding 4 on both sides, x is greater than 6 or x should be less than, adding 4, no, 4 minus 2, it is 2, right? Clear? Okay, so now you can collection of x here. X is belongs to minus infinity to plus 2 union 6 to infinity. Clear? This is the third set. Clear? Okay. Now you have to collect the common values, right? So first set you can see, first you write first set. What is the first set is given? Minus infinity to 1, union 3 to infinity, open interval, right? 3 to infinity. Second set, what is the element is there? Second set, minus infinity to minus 2, union 2 to infinity, right? 2 to infinity. Yes, good. So what is the third set? Minus infinity to 2 union 6 to infinity. Clear? I hope everyone understood, right? Okay, fine. Let's draw the number line. You have to fill it all the critical points here. Okay. First set you can see minus infinity to 1. Let's take this is 1, and here you take 3. So minus infinity to 1. Let's take here. So open interval minus infinity 1 and 3 to infinity. This one. Clear? Okay, let me take another color. Okay, next one is what? Minus infinity to minus 2. Let's take here minus 2. And then 2 to infinity. Let's take here is 2. Okay, minus infinity to minus 2. Let's take this one. And then 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity. This one, right? Let me take the third set. Third set you can see what is there? Minus infinity to 2. Let's take minus infinity to 2, right? So 2 is included, right? 2 is included. And then 6 to infinity. Let's take here 6. 6 to infinity. Okay. You can see here these two, not three things which is common you have to collect, right? A, B and C. The set we marked in the number line, right? Just you can collection of all the x value which are common in the three sets, right? So you can see here, student, you can see the red color and blue color. You can see this is actually have to take just a green color. This side is okay. You can take. Okay, common thing is what you have to take here. You can see the common will be this portions. x should be less than minus 2, right? This is a common. And then this side you can see start from 6, right? 6 to infinity. 6 is included here. Okay, this is the common. So you have the collection of A intersection B intersection C is what? All the x value is what? The x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 open interval union 6 to infinity, right? Just you have to put it in the number line. Okay, just you can see here minus infinity to minus 2. Let's take minus 2 here and plus 6 you can take here. Just you can draw the number line here. So what is that? Minus infinity to minus 2 open interval and 6 to infinity here. Okay, this is your intersection. So we need to collect the complement of this. Complement means what? The whole real number is there, whole family. You had to remove this, the blue color. What is a complement? A intersection B intersection C, this region, okay, minus infinity to minus 2 union 6 to infinity is your A intersection B intersection C. Okay, so you need to take the complement of this. What you can do, just R minus the shaded things, the blue color. Then what will get? So here minus 2 is not included. Okay, so that means complement should be included. Then here 6 is included, the complement would be not included, right? The close interval 2 to open interval 6, that is your complements of the A intersection B intersection C. Now you have to take the intersect with Z. What are the integers value common, right? Now you have to collect A intersection B intersection C whole complement intersect with Z. What are the integers values there you have to collect, right? What are the integers values there? You can see, let's take another color. The integers value you can see here, minus 2, sorry, this intersection is what? Minus 2 to 6, right? Minus 2 to 6. So here is minus 1 is possible, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the integers, right? This is the complement of the set. What are the integers is there here? So integers will be minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many elements is there here? 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 2 is included, no? You have to include that also. Minus 2 included. So there are 8 elements is there in the intersection. So therefore, let's take this is, you can take the set is, suppose, let's take K. K is what? Let me take another page. K, let us take, let K is equal to what? A intersection B intersection C whole complement intersect with Z. So how many elements are there? Integers, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 6 is not included here. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Therefore, number of elements in K will be 8. Okay, 8. So therefore, what they're asking actually, number of subset of the K, the number of subset of K is equal to 2 power 8. So 2 power 8 is 256 your answer. Understood? Suppose A consists of one element, how many subsets are there? 2 power 1 elements, that is 2 elements is there, empty set and the whole set. Like that, if the 8 element is there, how to find the number of subset? 2 power 8. 2 power 8 is 2 power 256 your answer. I hope everyone understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Math JEE Academy. So it will be very useful for JEE aspirants. So you can utilize this platform very pleasantly. Okay, so I will post you whenever I have the free time is there. So I will post the videos, you can watch continuously and subscribe it and share to your friends. Everyone will be benefit. I will explain step by step. Okay, thank you everyone, thank you.